Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to tzuyang channel analytics. tzuyang has uploaded 168 videos. She now has 3.19 million subscribers with a total view of 221,019,847 views. Her channel type is people, and she created her channel since November 20, 2018. The grade she got is A-, and her social blade ranking is at 4,397th. The subscriber ranking is 5,383rd, and then video view rank is 36,601st. She ranked at 506th in people. Next, the daily subs for tzuyang channel is around 2.66k with a daily view of 937,872. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 938,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $3,752. Then, monthly income will be $112,560. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $61,908 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $742,896. That is how much tzuyang earns from YouTube.